Hey everybody, thanks for watching the videos. Be sure to subscribe, click the watermark up there or the subscribe button down there, and have fun.
Look at those bunions. How dare you? I reckon it is.
Abita?
Huh?
Abita? That sounds like Abita? Abita?
So Jen and I see what appears to be cottonmouth wrapped around that stump right there.
Yeah, he's fat.
And he's nice and fat. I'm going to go in and get a shot of him here. Can you see him there?
Yeah.
That looks like a banded water snake. See his head though.
Bird.
Yeah. I'm trying to talk Missy into tying off right here and doing a little fishing, and she says,
Let's just go.
it was just the water snake, honey.
The unsnaky part.
Oh, is that, he's getting on the back of the boat. He's getting on the back of the boat.
I just saw a fish.
You did?
Yeah,
all
maybe
right.
we should.
Okay. Don't want to hit another one of those.
No. Especially not that big.
So, a farm girl is going to give it a go with the fly rod. And did you notice how hot it got and how quiet it got when we shut the engine?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's hot.
It's really hot.
Okay. Jen?
Yeah?
I want you to catch me a river monster. So what are you fishing?
Not catfish.
Is your lure what's hatching?
Yeah. Of course.
Okay. It's so quiet out here.
I'm sweating.
You're hot. truly hot, aren't you?
Why is wet?
Shh. You gotta whip it. Dry it out. Don't. You're about to catch a. You're gonna catch. Like that. You're gonna catch one of those branches.
No.
Huh?
No.
No what?
No, I'm not letting her line.
Let out line, Jennifer. What are you doing?
I'm just...
Here we are in the primordial swamps of the lower northeast Cape Fear. And there's a Hardy's cup.
Where are all the big fish?
Catch a monster. Yeah, I got one this morning. Oh, you are a champ.
You think?
Yeah.
What is that? Looks like a tortilla. Doesn't it?
It's a leaf.
I think I might be getting hungry.
Well, we've been fishing for 5 minutes. Let's go. Here.
You're right in my way.
So swing to the other side. Yeah, you can. Be a versatile fisher girl. All right, fisherman. We just saw a huge fish jump down there under that tree.
Up there.
Up there.
Yeah.
Untie. All right, let's go, Missy.
All right. Ah!
Now, this is a turnoff here, right? That could be it.
Yeah.
But see, we don't know.
Should have a sign.
We're looking for a restaurant, but we don't know.
That's where we are. That's where it is.
Well,
Gilligan's Island.
looks like we found a beach.
Did you trim it up?
Who'd have thought, Jen?
Yeah.
I dubbed this Farm Girls Beach.
Nice sand, too.
What?
Nice sand.
Is it?
Put this here, huh? Scared of what my feet might find. It's right here.
Huh?
Looks like it ends right here.
No, it goes around the bend.
What?
Very cool.
Oh,
Yeah.
should have put it here.
Well,
This is cool. I want to come here and hang out.
you do? I bet there's a bunch of rednecks hanging out on this beach on the weekend.
Well,
Or, sorry, nice folk.
I did see some cigarette butts.
Yeah.
But it's like, cool. Like Gilligan's Island.
Yeah. It's nice to be alone out here.
You could bring friends.
Duck rabbit. 11 ale.
It's not on straight. Do you hear that?
That's fine. I'm not going to get us stranded out here.
Okay.
You got your pistol?
Yep.
Show me.
It's in there.
There we go. Such a scaredy. They said they caught 3. Hopefully we didn't rock them too much.
Using a spinner.
Huh?
You're using a spinner.
Here comes Farmer. Backing the trailer down.